Hello friends, welcome to my channel. You can see the sliding cabinet design ideas, wardrobe design with measurement and height, with the double door sliding door with LED lights. You can see the complete specification of the cabinet, sliding doors with the color combination of the doors. So this is two cabinet with the center dressing table ideas. You can see the color combination, simple and nice ideas, friends. If you like my channel, please subscribe and support, and thanks for watching once again. This is completely, you can see the cabinet with specification, size in centimeter. Completely you can see the interior cabinet designs, and you can see the open inside the cabinet with the hanger pipes. All the specification, you can see the cabinets. This also double door with the dressing center dressing table ideas. You can see the specification. This is open wardrobe concept. You can see six drawer unit inside and all the without drawer, without door. You can see this open concept wardrobe design ideas with 2 meter 270 by 270. This is simple ideas, friends. If you like my channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching.